So for today, I'm gonna be doing a lot of things to the Civic today. So this car, I'm gonna be installing its TLS Type S rotors, which is a 4-piston rotor. So I'm gonna have a big brake kit. Installing new hubs with longer studs. Installing some Swift springs, stiffer Swift springs on my coilovers. I'm probably gonna do an oil change, transmission fluid change, and then brake flush. So it's gonna be a long process today just to get it ready for the Honda Time Attack Challenge. So, hopefully it all works out today. I'm not sure how much of a recording I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna try as much as I can to record because I just want to get this thing done with. So I'll be showing you bits and pieces of what I've been doing. So yeah, time to get this thing started. So far I have removed my whole spring. Gonna be replacing those springs with some Swift springs, that way I could get it a little bit stiffer. That took about 30 minutes to do, so not that bad. I still have to remove this whole spindle just to get the hub out and everything, so that's gonna take a while. But yeah, man, still work in progress. All I have to do is just remove this top nut, take this piece off and put the spring in, and we should be pretty set, man. See you guys in a bit. The new spring is in. Remove the old one. Remove this one, so and put the new one in. That took about 5 minutes, so it wasn't that hard. It was an easy job. Ah, crap, you know what I did forget though? I did forget to put the knob in to soften and tighten it. Let me see if I can do it through here, but damn. Sometimes you forget shit for trying to do it in a rush and you think you had it easy. But yeah, that spring's already basically much done, and just now to remove the damn knuckle to get the hub out, replace it with the new hub. So looking good so far. Well, I hit a little snag. I do have a size 32 socket for the spindle for the nut, but apparently it's not a 32. I think it's a 34 because it's not big enough. So going to the auto stores right now to go buy a socket for it. But other than that, that's the only snag that I've gone through. So yeah, time to go to the parts store and buy some parts. But other than that, everything else has gone pretty smooth. So this is the only snag that I've gone through. So hopefully once I get this, it'll be a lot smoother. So after several hours and hours struggling because I had an issue trying to get the hub removed, I finally got it in. It took me about freaking 5 hours to get this done. So now that I know what I'm doing, the other side should be a lot easier. But yeah, man, here it is. I did replace it with speed bleeders. I still gotta put in these onto the other caliper, but I'm gonna do those right now, so that way it could be easier to bleed them. So one side down and one more to go, man. I just gotta tighten up a few things here and there, and that's no longer connected. The brake lines are connected to these new calipers. So yeah, man, so far so good. We'll see how it goes right now. So I'm gonna go take it out for a test drive. I'm like completely tired. I need to eat, take a shower, and relax, man, because I am super tired. Let's see. Hopefully everything goes well. No issues. My hands are super dirty. My poor steering wheel's gonna get dirty. I still have to bed in the damn pads anyways, too. The way it feels right now. Oh, that was the fucking tool set in the back that just moved around. I think I still have to do another brake flush. Maybe I should take out all the damn tools in the back too. But it feels pretty good, pretty solid. Brake feels a bit mushy. I still probably do another brake bleed. breaking these pads, maybe it'll feel better. I'm like super tired, man. I've been working since 9 a.m. It is 5 o'clock. So I did an 8-hour shift in my car. You know, all because of the stupid, one of the wheel hubs didn't want to come out. I was having quite a few little bit of issues, man. My first time doing it, so I struggled on the first side. Once I got to the second side, it was pretty much easy. The second side, I did it within an hour or two, probably 2 hours. I got it done. The first one, man, I was at it for hours and hours, to the point where like I had to call my buddy Will from Concept 3 to come and help me, because I was trying to see if what the hell I was doing wrong. And then as right before he got to my house, kind of figured it out, solved my issue. But then I had another issue where he helped me out. But yeah, man, Will from Concept 3 to the rescue. Luckily he was around town, so he was able to show up to my place. Let's see how these brakes are. They still need a break-in, because it's not. Yeah, these pads need to be better than. They're not properly stopping right now. Pretty sure once they get bit in, man, I gotta take all this crap out of my car so I can do this. But damn. So far so good, man. Till next time, work on my car.